Hey yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome to Bricks, where the only way that matters. Today I'm going to share one of the most dominating strategy in the Forex industry. It goes by the name CRT, candle range theory. Without wasting any time, let's go to it. This is the part you might like to get a pen and a paper, okay? So basically the theory is made up of 3 candles. Sometimes it's more, okay? So now you just need to grab your Fibonacci retracement tool, right? Go to the high and to the low of the candle. This can be a daily, 4-hour, or an hourly candle, right? So okay, as you can see here, the setting for my Fibonacci retracement, the 0, the 50, and the 1, right? Now out of these 3 candles, it's part of the AMD, accumulation, manipulation, then it distribute, right? So basically on the first candle, you are like your Fibonacci retracement, right? The next thing that you want to see is a total soup, right? The second candle is supposed to just total soup right there and goes back in. You don't want to see the body of this second candle like passing the wick of the first candle. I just hope you understand me on that part, right? So basically the wick must go out of this previous wick, right? Pass it, but the body must remain inside. After you see that your total soup, your CRT entry model is being completed, then the third candle is your entry candle. It's as simple like that, okay? But I'm just gonna get to the chart so that you can actually see how I implement it over a chart. But let me just go over that again. You're just looking for 3 candles or more. Sometimes I'm gonna show you on the price, right? So what happens is that you get a candle, right? You pull up your fib, the high and the low. The next thing is you wanna see the low of the wick getting a total soup, and the total soup is just the candle going a bit lower than the previous low here, right? Then the market goes back in. Then that candle is your entry candle. It's as simple like that, okay? But I'm gonna show you this in live action. Okay, let's see if you are able to identify the CRT model over here. So basically, if you saw this, you are nope, you are wrong. If you saw this, you are actually wrong. Just check here. The low here, the body of the second candle is passing the low of the first candle. And remember our rule, we want the wick, not the body. The actual thing which you must have seen is this one, the high there all the way to the low. As you can see, this is perfect. Why? The why question is important. Check the wick is outside, but where's the body? Inside. Now the entry reason. Now to enter, you can just enter your buy right now. The first take profit is at the 50% of their fee, right? The second is at the 100. That is not a best entry you can enter, right? But to be more concise, you can just go to the 5-minute time frame to actually get a better trade. So basically, I usually use the first fair value gap that is formed for my entry reason, right? You can see we go here, got a beautiful fair value gap there, although it's kind of small though. Yeah, I kind of accept it. Then you can get your entry right there to buy. The first take profit is over here, as we say, the 50% zone. And for the stop loss, it's okay there, or we can place a bit lower of the fair value gap, right? First take profit over there, the second is all the way there. Let's see how this plays out, right? Let's see how this plays out within minutes. Hey Bricks, are we always buying with this CRT strategy? No. Okay, so basically for a sell model, it's actually the same thing, just in a reverse way. Just see if you can identify our CRT model over here. As you can see, it's here, it's clean. It's clean. Let me just, so that you can see it a little bit better. As you can see, it's clean. Now this is the hourly time frame. The next thing that you want to do is to go to our 5-minute time frame to find an entry. 5-minute time frame to find an entry. Yep, right there, as you can see. Now let's see if we can find an entry. Let's just give the market a little bit of move. As you can see, the entry model which I could have actually taken here is this. As you can see, that was actually our first fair value gap, right? Take profit would be a little bit higher this time because of all these wicks, right? Our first take profit is this 50% zone, then the 100% zone for our second take profit. So basically now let's see how this played out. Okay, as you can see, wow. Okay, I think this was NFP. I think this, what was the time there? Oh yeah, 3:30. So okay, so this is the last example, right? This actually happened Friday after NFP. As you can see, I already highlighted the first candle, the total soup right there. The next thing, what are we expecting it? A buy, right? I'm in the hourly time frame now. I'm just gonna go to the 5-minute time frame to actually look for entry. As you can see here, we have a, just check first, fair value gap right there, inversion fair value gap plus a fair value gap. Wow, that is a double. So basically I'm gonna enter the trade right there. The first take profit is at the 50%. Yeah, the stop loss is okay. Now let's just see how that plays out. Easy take profit hit, but as you can see, just it only hit the 50% zone. That is why we say the first take profit is at the 50%, then you take some. Don't be greedy. As you can see, it did land the market close just like that without going to the 100. Don't always aim for the 100%, okay? The 50 can fit you enough. So basically this is the end of the video. So I would also like to tell you that I had chosen these 3 winning examples. It doesn't mean that you win all of the times, right? But you will most of the times. So basically what I want you to do is choose a specific pair, check the time you're trading and the time the CRT model is working for you, and use it within those specific rules. Feel me? Don't trade every CRT model that you see and think that it will work. Not always. Just check it out for you and see what works for you personally and start trading that. I personally traded on GBP USD. As for me, it works more better there. So just do your own investigation and find out what is better for you. Yeah, that is all for the day. Breaks weight.